Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. I'm gonna start vlogging today because it's almost the weekend. You guys already know I always vlog for the weekends. Oh my gosh, my hair is a mess. I'm gonna take these crusty eyelashes off because I've been having them since last week. I'm wearing clusters. And I'm gonna dry my hair so I can have it good for tomorrow. I'm not gonna do anything, but you know, right now I'm gonna watch, because I edited a video for that I did last weekend, I think, or 2 weekends ago, but I haven't uploaded it because I finished editing it, but I want to watch it out just to see if it's like enough footage for me to upload it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that right now. Well, first I'm gonna take off my lashes. First I'm gonna take out my lashes, then I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then I'm just gonna do that. And I got this today at the store because since I've been working out, I gotta drink my water every day. I gotta keep myself hydrated and at least 64 ounces every day. So that's my goal. I'm gonna do my makeup because I'm gonna go out today. Nothing too crazy, natural. And I already have my lashes on because I put clusters on. I blow dried my hair already. I showered. So yeah. Hopefully I don't take long doing my eyebrows because my eyebrows have been giving me a really hard time lately. Oh, those are cute. You should wear those. I'm looking for somebody I can call. We're here. We're about to leave. Hey guys, I didn't finish the vlog yesterday because we didn't really do much. We went to church and then we went back to his house. Yeah, so today he said he's gonna take me to try a new place that he found on Facebook because that's all he does. He tries to he tries to find new foods. Right? Yeah. I'm gonna take you guys with us so we can tell you guys. It was last time, remember? When we were first dating, we took this car somewhere to Longhorn. We said it at the same time. Anyways, yes guys, so we're gonna go check that out. We're gonna see how that goes.
We're so hot.
I know. Okay, sorry. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? Minnie Bird. Let's see if it's actually good, because if it's not, I'm gonna try to vlog. I'm not gonna try to be shy today, okay? I'm not gonna try to be shy, okay guys?
Wait for what?
To record inside so we can review the food.
Okay.
Bro, try it.
Cheese curds.
This is what I got. This is what he got. What you get?
Chicken sandwich. Chicken sando.
So guys, that was a disappointment.
That shit was ass. I did not like that shit.
I give it
I couldn't even finish that shit, low key. That shit was ass though.
Give it a 4 out of 10 or a 3 or a 1.
I gave it did give it a 6 at first. The cheese curd saved it, no bad. I give it like honestly
I didn't like it at all, to be honest, because they were too sweet.
I give it a 3. That shit was ass.
It was too sweet and I don't like sweet food. Me gusta que pique, and this one was like spicy, pero con sweet, if that makes sense.
It was not spicy though.
No, it wasn't spicy at all. I'm not even spicy. So like, nah. I would, to be honest, I would not come with you again. Like if you want to come by yourself, you're very welcome to.
I'm not coming to it nasty.
No me gustó, no, okay. So yeah. Yeah, fries
are. Cheese curds are decent too. Nothing compared to B-Dubs, but still, you know, I'm salty.
Oh, here's Kevin. He's gonna try it. Is it hot or? Is it hot?
Wait, how spicy is it?
Just try it, bro.
Be honest though. 1 to 10. Like it?
I like a 9.
Really?
A 9?
No way. The ranch is fire though.
What, you don't like it?
No, I didn't like it.
You like it?
No.
That shit was disgusting.
I only ate 1.
That shit was disgusting. You like that shit?
You like it?
No, hell no. I'll never eat that shit.
Disappointed. What'd you say?
Shit was disgusting. Yeah, he doesn't like it. Look. Fucking it up. He does not like that shit.
You don't like it?
Uh.
You don't like
I don't know, still, because it's sweet. So today is Thursday. So right now, I just woke up. I'm going to Dunkin'. Or I don't know if I'm going to go to Dunkin'. Yeah, I'm going to Dunkin'. But I'm just going to get a little bit ready because later I'm going to go to the store to buy my mom's gift for her birthday. Because her birthday is tomorrow, Friday. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate and everything. And I think I'm going to do my nails right now. I was going to go right now. Well, not right now, but like sometime right now. But my brother told me to wait for him so he can go with me. So I was like, okay, perfect. But then supposedly it was gonna rain the whole day today, but it's not raining, which I hope it stays like that because I don't like driving in the rain. Okay, so I'm heading out to Dunkin'. My hair it's oily, so I haven't washed it, so it looks kind of weird. But you know what? It's okay. I think I'm gonna put it up right now in the car. I didn't do my bed. I'm gonna do it when I come back. I kind of cleaned the kitchen a little bit, just so I wouldn't have to do much today, so I have time to do my nails. I'm about to head out, and then I'll just be back to you guys when I come back. Hey y'all, so it's been a long day today. We've been everywhere because we couldn't find my mom's gift. I know, he still has his school backpack. So we're kind of relieved now because we got her gift. Which that's good. We went to Old Town, went to Sephora, we went everywhere in Nueva Villa. So we had to come to Macy's. So now he wants to buy a costume. I don't know for what.
No, I'm not. I just want to see if they're.
But we're gonna go to Spirit Halloween now. And yeah,
I'm scared.
we'll see. I'm kind of scared.
Does he have a costume?
I don't know.
So if he doesn't walk in out, I'm not gonna joke.
Okay.
Can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy. It ain't what we doing.
So we have the stuff ready. I put that stuff. I'm gonna put. Well, my sister's gonna bring both so we can put them right here. Balloons fell. I put some balloons there, pero se cayeron. So yeah, that's cute or whatever. Period. I have the bolillo here for the pambazos, and we have the papas con chorizo over here. Okay. I don't know if I think I kind of did a good job. I kind of overcooked the papas a little bit, but it's okay. They're bomb though. I tried them and they're good. And then we have the bolillo over here. And then yeah, now we're just gonna wait until she gets home. Anyways, so I just finished. Now I'm gonna get ready. So when my mom gets here, I can like be ready and I can like show her. I check my mom's location to see where what the frig? They're still over there. They're still over there. So we'll see. I don't know if they're on the way or they're still over there. I've been freaking Life 360 tweaks. I gotta know though, cause so I can like make sure. They're an hour away, so I think I have plenty of time to get ready.
Que se pintan de sicarios y resultan lo contrario. Dicen que son de barrio, que fueron pandilleros. No tienen expediente. Si te vienen a contar cositas malas de mí, diles que sí, que yo te digo que sí.
Vivo muy a prisa, la vida de artista, drogas y mujeres. Otra más para la risa de la fiesta. A veces hacemos cosas de más.
You end up snitching, then you not a part of us. Bitch, this a paddock, this is not a cardio. Where you get that shit from?
Muy a gusto le quedo las cuentas de la empresa del M La Z, conocido como el M1. Las amistades, Culiacán, la gente de arriba, como mi padre, toda su oficina. Mi respeto, mucha mentalidad. Gracias a Dios, igualito a mi papá. Aquí traigo un Scar y un lanzapapas si se portan mal. Un pase a mí nunca me cae pesado. Ya me acostumbrando estar siempre engalado, los ojos rojos y mi güero lao. Quédate conmigo en la troca mientras te paso el humo por la boca. Mami, si tú eres la que me provoca.
Too many hoes, but they hate you. You like to put that shit in your dog.
And I would rather hang with my thugs. Me gastar sin pensar.
Surprise! Surprise! Oh, so nice! Thank This girl. Hey guys, we're here with Monse. This is her Halloween costume. Who are you?
Chloe from Descendants.
Period. Una vuelta. With your shiny hair, blue hair.
It's not shiny.
It is shiny.
No, it's not.
It is, look. So cute.
You have to copy me. Well, that's why I'm just adding right now.